Okay people, it's Niche Flow back again with the tutorial on DaVinci Resolve using the Fusion page. Okay, the first thing that we do, come to your media pool, then right click, choose a new Fusion composition, name it whatever, create, and then double click it to take you to the Fusion page. Cool, then add here a text and then shift spacebar to add another node called duplicate. Cool, then come to your text, press 1, duplicate, press 2 to come on viewer 2. Okay, cool, add copies here to 3, and maybe just come here to text +1 and name whatever you want. Okay, cool, bump up the size here to 0.1, and then when that's done, come to frame 35. Make sure that text plus is highlighted. Layout, on layout, come to center, animate, and then take the playhead to the beginning like this, and then click and drag to the right like this, double click, copy, we'll paste this on the duplicate, and then come to duplicate, come to center, animate, double click like this and paste, and then take this to frame 35. Okay, let's do like this. It didn't do. Let's do like this, double click, then enter, then take your playhead to frame 35, then double click again, type 0.5, and then let's check out our animation. Okay, cool, take your playhead to frame 35, click your text plus node, move your playhead I think to, let's say, frame 90, and from here come to your layout, and then come to center Z, right click, animate, then move 10 frames to 100, click and drag to the right to make the text small, or just type in 0.5, and then move your playhead to the last frame like this, and then click on the center Z and drag to the left to zoom in and basically go out of view like this. Okay, cool, then let's take our playhead to frame 35, click your duplicate, come to angle, animate, and then move 15 frames to frame 50, then double click, type in -15, and then move another 15 frame, then this time just type in 15 like so, and then move another 15 frame to frame 80, and then just type in 0, and then after that's done, let's see our animation, people. Okay, cool, and then we can add a background, drag and drop it here on the play, hit and draw and click and drag from the output of background, and then take it to the duplicate. A merge will be created, then take the output of the merge to media out 1, then press media out 1 and type 2 on the keyboard. Now we are viewing everything from on viewer 2 from media out 1, then highlight or click merge 1 and press Ctrl T to invert the background so that we can see our text. And then click the background, and then in the inspector come to type and choose gradient, and then on background gradient type use radial, and then on start X double click and say 0.5, then come to your left gradient color, this one black, and then make sure it's highlighted, and then click here on the color and choose whatever color. I'll use this magenta. Okay, and then go to the left, to the right side, which is the outer color, it's the white, and make sure it's highlighted, and then click and maybe choose any color. Also here I'll use this one, this dark red, and then when that's done, let's take our playhead to the beginning and see our animation. Okay, cool. Now just to finesse our animation, we can click here, come to the top and click here on the spline and click type, but let's disable this so that we can see everything one by one. Click and drag to highlight and press S to smooth everything, then click here again and unclick this one and press this to fit everything, or Control F, and then click and drag and then press S to smooth everything out, then click this button to click away to make sure that nothing is appears that has to do with the text. Then click your maybe duplicate here and then click duplicate, and then come to angle and click it away so that we are able to see just one thing at a time, because these things can be confusing. Make sure that only center path 2 is visible, and click and drag to highlight everything and press S, and then come to angle and then click this away and press this fit to frame and click and drag this, press S, and then let's play head to the beginning and press play. Okay people, and the other thing you can do is to maybe work on your keyframes if you want to adjust them. Come here next to the spline on your right, click keyframe, this will appear, and then click your zoom or Control F, and then maybe you can Control Z, you can maybe address certain keyframes you want to do like this. I want to finesse here, and maybe let's come here, maybe bring this, maybe move this bit. Let's take a playhead to the beginning, and okay people, you can maybe work on it even more. I'm just doing this tutorial to show you how this works, or how to achieve this kind of duplicate text title. Okay, click a keyframe button here to move it from view, and then come to a text plus, and then go to your inspector on settings, click motion blur, and then on the quality you can add maybe 4, and then come to duplicate, same thing, inspector setting, motion blur 4, and then take your playhead to the beginning and then just play. So adding motion blur adds a strain on my computer, but I think you can already see the effect of the motion blur. It mimics how things move in real life. So after this, everything will play smooth. Computer just need to cache everything out. My machine is not the best, but it can do what it needs to when I want to. Okay people, now you see it. Okay people, I hope you enjoy the tutorial and make use of whatever information I've just presented, and please like, share and subscribe so that I can grow. I'm a new channel, I know, so thank you.